Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about it took her 40 minutes to get there. Food was cold, but I admired the hustle. Uber Eats worker makes delivery in power wheelchair. I have seen a lot of videos in the gig economy and a lot of vehicles that are being used in the gig economy, but I have never seen a mode of transportation such as a power wheelchair used for food delivery. I feel like I gotta know what's going on. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash drivers, gig workers of all kinds, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Delivery drivers are all about the hustle. Nothing's gonna stop them from delivering a customer's order on time, especially not a power wheelchair. I mean, if they said it was waiting 40 minutes, there is something stopping them, and that's just overall ability to move. One delivery worker's hustle was documented in a TikTok video that have been viewed more than 2.6 million times since January 30th. The things you do for content, huh? That time when my Uber Eats driver rolled up in a power wheelchair. User Kelvin Rue01 send a video's voiceover. I'm gonna leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. It took her 40 minutes to get there. Food was cold, but I admired the hustle, they captioned the video. She earned a generous tip. I just want to know what you ordered, man. Like, that person went from the restaurant to deliver your order, and was she doing it for the content too? What's going on? I feel like I need to know things. According to Uber's website, the company welcomes Uber and Uber Eats drivers with disabilities. Uber provides economic opportunities for people with mobile disabilities, the company writes. Uber welcomes drivers who use modified vehicles and hand controls on the Uber platform. Uber also states that anyone who is legally able to drive can apply to drive with Uber. I don't know if that was what they meant when they said that. But okay, as long as you're making money, I guess there's nothing wrong with it. I just think this is hilarious, man. In addition to a generous tip, the woman with a power wheelchair earned praise from hundreds of viewers. I respect the grind, one wrote. She is making her coin. Get it, queen, another added. And I see, why don't people treat all gig workers like this? It's the woman in a wheelchair that's getting treated like this. I respect the grind too, but I respect the grind because she's a gig worker, not because she's in a wheelchair. I mean, come on. Nothing wrong with that. She's example of if you want, you can. No excuses. Praise the third. I mean, you're not wrong. My food has taken longer and they come by car. Joke the fourth. That person probably doesn't tip their driver, but they will make a comment like that. The idea of starting a GoFundMe for the woman was even tossed around. If this happens, it wouldn't be the first time a viral campaign has changed a delivery driver's life. Okay, for real though, this woman does deserve a GoFundMe. This person is literally in a wheelchair. Somebody needs to step up for her. In 2022, an elderly DoorDash employee named Kenny Judd went viral for looking adorable while completing a delivery order. Tell me I didn't just get the cutest delivery driver, Annabelle Grace Stevens, posted on TikTok. I actually made a video talking all about that as well. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. After people expressed concerns over the man's welfare, more than $38,000 was raised via GoFundMe. Suddenly starting to consider delivering in a wheelchair. I'm kidding, don't do that. People advocated for the delivery woman to get the same treatment. That person needs a GoFundMe, a user commented. They shouldn't be putting themselves in danger. That's true. Some viewers shared their own stories of delivery drivers with unusual modes of transportation. Last year, my uncle ordered McDonald's on DoorDash. Order took an hour to arrive. Poor guy was on an electric scooter and was exhausted. Cold food. People deliver on bikes. People deliver on a lot of different modes of transportation. I'm surprised that people are starting to acknowledge it now, that you could deliver on so many different platforms in so many different ways. And yeah, those kind of methods of transportation are exhausting, so good on them for actually doing the work. Mines came on a bike one time with my pizza upside down another road. I mean, that's just wrong, man. Like, you don't put the pizza upside down. I feel like that guy's trying to send a message. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think the fact that this person delivering on Uber Eats in a wheelchair, it's a good for her scene for the idea that she's putting in the work and doing what she can. But it's really also sad to see that people who are in this position have to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't have a choice in the matter. All in all, good for her to do the work and make that happen, but she really does need a GoFundMe of some sort. Because people who are delivering in a wheelchair are doing it because they have to, not because they want to. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!